What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the "your game requires a system restart" error you are getting when trying to play Valorant on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, close your Valorant launcher. Search for Control Panel in your Start menu search to open it up. On this window, make sure to view by category, and under Programs, select Uninstall a program. Click on any program and start typing Riot Vanguard to find the program. You will need to uninstall this specific program. To do this, simply right-click Riot Vanguard and select Uninstall. A window will open up, asking you if you're sure if you want to uninstall this program. Select Yes. After uninstalling Riot Vanguard, reopen your Valorant launcher. The launcher will in most cases re-download the missing program and then ask you to restart your PC before proceeding. After a system reboot, open up your Valorant launcher again, as well as your task manager. In the Processes tab, right-click your Riot Client process and select Details. In the Details tab, the Riot Client Service.exe process should be highlighted. Simply right-click this process and make sure to set its priority to High. Next, navigate to your Startup tab. Locate the VG Tray application name and make sure that its status is set to Enabled. This will fix the "your game requires a restart" error in most cases. But in case you still experience the problem, then make sure to follow this second step. In your Start menu search, enter Services and click on the gear icon to open your Service Control Manager for Windows. Select any service and start typing VGC to locate the VGC service. Double-click the service and in the General tab, make sure that the startup type is set to Automatic and that the service is started. This will make sure that your Riot Vanguard application will always start on system boot, as it should, and prevent the error when trying to play the game on Windows 11. Don't forget to apply your changes. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.